To install Arduino IDE, you first need to access this address. On this page, you can see the download options on the right side. I choose this option, which is suitable for my Mac. I don't force you to click the Just Download button like me. You can research on your own to download in another way. After downloading, you double-click on the file. Drag Arduino IDE to the Applications folder to copy. After copying, you can see Arduino IDE is in the Applications folder. You can drag it to the dock like this for convenient use later. Open the application for the first time, receive a notification. The part we should be most interested in this notification is about the following text. Apple checked it for malicious software and none was detected, from which we can see that this is a seemingly safe software to open. So the installation of Arduino IDE on the computer is complete. Next, we need to install the command line developer tools. We click the Verify button here to show the installation notification. This way may not be official at all. After we click Install, the license agreement will appear on the screen. I am not responsible for your clicking the Agree button, but you need to agree to it to continue. After the installation is complete, we click the Done button. Next, we install the ESP32 board on Arduino IDE. We go to Google to search with installing ESP32 in Arduino IDE. Here we should select this result. I think this is the official documentation page from Espressif. Scroll down. We copy the stable release link. Go back to Arduino IDE. We go to Preferences. Scroll down below. We paste the link here and click OK. Then we go to Boards Manager. Type in the search bar the keyword ESP32, and you install ESP32 by Espressif Systems here. Next, you need to install this library. And install this library.